Chafu.
Be patient.
Be rough. Problem with pigs, they are so greedy.
So good.
This one is not clean yet.
These ones, they are too many.
They escape to come to mama, but they are supposed to be in the other room.
Those ones.
This type of food, good, it brings the meat also.
That cooked food.
Yeah.
It is good. Although they tell us that they damage.
For them, they leak. They even leak their plates.
Hey.
I think for now I'm done feeding.
About
Yeah, they go to mommy's place. They keep cheating.
they don't want plain water.
They drink some water. You need water.
But you can see the stomach, it is coming up.
They are full. In the morning I gave them. These ones
They have their door there. Their door.
We made it for
They go there.
No, we cut it.
They go there, they come back. And they finish. Very many ones.
How long does it take you to feed all of them? To me, over 30 minutes. Because me, I'm detailed. I feed. I give a lot of water. Only when the stomach are coming out, then they are sure.
And these ones, they need water.
Why does that one have a one? Is that a brother? It also passed through. It passed through.
They have their small door.
Yes.
But those ones, they got food.
Yes.
They cooked food.
Food was for a few. That didn't get enough.
Okay. So they understand you.
This one.
So you can spray them, or there is no need of spraying.
You can get rid of the flies, especially the blue flies. You have to get rid of the blue flies, but I put a certain powder in their chachu so that when they release the waste, it doesn't attract the blue flies. it's not smelling too much.
Because I have never had any smell.
Eh? Yes, I put. And that's what I want to. When people come and they tell me, how come it's not smelling? Then I know it's working well. I put it in chachu.
Okay.
Yes. It's called babanite.
You can go to someone where there is pigs. The moment you do like this,
It
don't
smells.
want it.
So that's
But
what,
even if you have not cleaned there, it is
it's not smelling. Yet I haven't.
But well done.
Thank you, Mom.
Well done, well done. You are great worker. My friend, even if you are sick, you have to come.
Yes. Yes. Even if the workers are here, for me the first thing I do is to come and check. Yes.
Because this is your second office.
I'm telling you. Some people tell me, why don't you quit the other job and stay on only this?
And there you need it to be there because you learn some more there. And here you just add on.
And it is the other job that brought this.
That fund.
You cannot leave
It's
the
funded.
And also to relieve you of stress, because sometimes when you're all here and then they start to give you those manyanga in terms of a market, unless if you have a straight market now, that where you can see your money is coming out, then there you can have the confidence to say, let me now put everything in
Yes,
this.
but
and
right
focus.
now I can't.
Yeah, because you've witnessed, you've seen the market.
What I have seen, you are going to add some more rooms.
Yes, even
If
here,
you
actually.
start there,
Yeah, I want this work, a certain guy
Room
to come
in the
before
middle.
this delivers. We are going to put some
In the middle.
holes in the middle here. We shall have the working space will be maybe up to here. Yeah, because you need working space. So we are going to add on.
That's what I have seen.
Yes.
If you separate, they grow so
They
fast.
grow so fast. Now these ones, each of them is supposed to be separated. You would have seen. And I wish there is I find someone to first put it there because it's soon going. Then it will be very big.
Now you can see even.
For them to put it there, they have to carry it.
You can
To
pass
leave
through
one
this door,
pig.
but the other door is not open. Someone needs to carry. Put it there. But I may leave them here since the function is on the 31st of this month.
Because here when they are together, they keep fighting for food.
Yes.
I saw the other one.
They cannot
there is
feel
one
free
feeding,
because you are
but it
assuming
does not
that.
allow the other one to feed. It is eating on this one, putting the back.
Uh-huh.
When this one comes and it continues. Like
Yes,
this. When this one comes this way,
yes,
it turns the back this
yes.
way. Now
That's
this one is
it.
going around and around. And
Which
I'm
are
like,
assuming you are
That's-
coming to consume all.
no, it was when it turns to eat here, they are there. There is one of them is really a bully. When it is turning to eat, it sits on this one, and then it's here. Then the other one is looking around. Then when it's done, it comes back here.
So that's what I do. I separate. Sometimes the most is 2. But I don't want more than 2 to be in one style. Yes. Because all those which were weak, all those you see that they are alone, they were weak. People, the others were eating food on them.
Those ones are female.
Those who are like the same.
They were weak, they couldn't fight for food, so those are the ones I put one by one right now.
So that they can nurse themselves.
Yes, urinate and come back.